Atong suwayan og sakang Mactan Bridge. Suway tag saka bike. So ang required yun is kuhan dyan dirigid sa footpath. Saka sa bridge ba, footpath ang bike kung maglakaw. Pwede na ka mag-spin kaya. Yun, indutag view sa morning view sa bridge. Yun, tama na. Nagang ingaglakaw mountain bike. Indot ang view. Oldest Mactan Bridge, the first. So this connects from Cebu to the mainland of Mactan. Before, it's only one bridge, but now we have 3 bridges crossing Mactan Island. Mactan Island is a key area for Cebu as it has the international airport. So going to Cebu province, you need to pass the Mactan Island. You will land in Mactan Island. So now we are here in Mactan Island. A lot of development are currently running in Cebu. We are building construction. The construction industry is booming and the business. So after pandemic, a lot of businesses are building up again. Okay? So that's what you call. So that's why pandemic was generated, to disrupt the business. So comment if you agree that the pandemic was just a propaganda to disrupt the growing business around the world. So welcome to Lapu-lapu City, where ukay-ukay is ready. Alright, so General Milling Corporation, and we're going to Mactan Lapu-lapu Market. Okay. See ya.